When I was a kid, every evening, my dad would come back home from work, exhausted, miserable, and reach for the bottle. And the thing is, there's millions more like him all over the world. Millions of unhappy households where one parent or even both parents are constantly miserable, constantly negative. Why? Because they work soul crushing jobs they hate, because they have to. They have to pay their bills, they have to feed their family. And the biggest lie you've been led to believe by society, by your parents themselves, by your teachers, etc., it's that you need a job. In reality, why do you go to school? It's not so you can get a job. It's so you can get a job, so you can get an income, so you can actually live. So all you need is an income, not a job. My name's Fred and I grew up in the low middle class. My parents were nurses, so we always fought for scraps really. We never really traveled or did any cool things because we simply couldn't afford to. We barely lived. And growing up in this kind of environment where everything was so limiting, where everything I wanted was so out of reach, it wasn't for us for some reason, it made me simply want more. And it made me realize, yeah, you can make a bit of money, but if you just trade all your days for money and barely any of it really, you don't make that much in reality, well, what's the point of life? And I also knew from afar people who were working regular jobs, high-paying career, and they were making 6 figures a year. That was the ultimate achievement. To make $10,000 per month with a regular job. You wear the fancy suit, you drive the BMW, and everybody believes you are a fucking success. And you are, by society standards. But those people, they just make more money, but they don't have more free time. Answer me this, would you rather make $10,000 a month, only work 1 hour a day, doing the thing that you love? Or would you rather work 12 hours a day in a regular 9-to-5 corporate slave job and that's it, you make 10K per month? Which option would you pick? I can guarantee you there's no fucking human on the entire planet that would choose to work more in a job they hate. Obviously not. Nobody would do this. By the way, if you want me to help you start or grow an info product business, so a course business, when you're done watching this video, click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comment. You'll get a free video training that explains exactly how this business model works and how to grow it, and exactly how it's allowed me to make up to $2,600 in a single day in profit without selling my time, by selling products instead. Products which are very high profit. And on that same page, you can also apply to book a free one-to-one call with me directly. And on that call, I'm gonna basically take a look at your situation, where you are right now. We'll take a look at the things you tried and I'll show you why they failed up until now. And I'm also gonna give you a custom step-by-step roadmap you can follow so you can start selling online courses today and get your first customers quick. So obviously, I'm sure you realize, since I take these calls myself, I can't do 100 of them per day, even per month. So if you want to secure your spot, just click the link in the description below, grab the free training, book your call, and I will see you on the call. So from a very young age, I realized if I want to be free in this world, I need a lot of money. In fact, when I was only 11, 12 years old, I fell down the rabbit hole on YouTube and social media, and I typed how to get rich in the search bar. I started to read books like Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. You've probably read those books as well. They're the 101 beginner guides when you start being interested in, okay, how do I break out of the middle class? How do I break out of the low income trap? How do I make more money so I can live life instead of working for money like a fucking slave? And after doing so much research, what I realized is that I could, try to go for a high-paying career, I could invest in the stock market, in real estate, but it would take me my whole life to get rich. Maybe I'd have $1 million or a few million if I'm lucky when I'm 40, 50 or even older, but then I would have sacrificed my entire youth. And when you are in your 20s or 30s, this is when you have the most amount of energy. This is when you can do anything. This is when usually you don't have a family, early 20s, so you can afford to take more risks because you don't have 3 people dependent on you for you to feed them. That's a fucking huge responsibility. I know sometimes people are gonna say, oh well, you need to quit your job and just build a business, etc. But I mean, be careful who you give that kind of advice to. Sure, it's good to burn the bridges and whatever because at least you're committed and focused. Most people are not committed at all, and that's why they fail. It's not because there's a law in the universe preventing them from becoming successful. It's just because 99% of people have no commitment whatsoever. And if you're wondering, how do you know that? Well, I mean, just live your life and see if people take action. They don't. How many people do you hear complaining every single fucking day? Yet, they do absolutely nothing to improve their situation. It's the people who every single New Year's, they set the same goddamn resolutions. I'm gonna lose weight, I'm gonna stop smoking, I'm gonna start a business. 5 years later, they still have the same resolutions. And I've personally done hundreds of Zoom calls, like individually with people who had tried businesses in the past, or people who also had tried no businesses ever, they wanted to get started. And I can tell you the number one reason people fail, it's because like they hold themselves back. They come up with all these excuses. They don't take action. And then a minority of people, they're a bit more hungry than the average, you know? That's probably you if you've watched the dozens of hours of content. You've probably tried a few business models, you've dabbled in a few things before, you've tried the dropshipping, maybe you tried to make an ebook with ChatGPT, with some AI tool, or like whatever bullshit is trending this week on social media. So you've got more skin in the game than 99% of people. But the truth is, you are focusing on the wrong things. I've made thousands of dollars a day, up to $2,600 in a single day in profit. When I was 22 years old, I'm 23 currently, selling digital products online. And most of it was profit. I love digital products because they're so high profit, 90 to 96%. You make the product one time and you don't have to worry about shipping, manufacturing, all these fucking things where something can go wrong. Instead, all you do is you make content on a topic you love or something you at least have an interest in. You sell a digital product and that's it. And if you structure it the right way, you can even get sales while you're asleep, while you're at the gym, while you're having a conversation with somebody that you love, like literally anytime, 24/7. By the way, if you want me to help you start or grow an info product business, so a course business, when you're done watching this video, click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comment. You'll get a free video training that explains exactly how this business model works and how to grow it, and exactly how it's allowed me to make up to $2,600 in a single day in profit without selling my time, by selling products instead. Products which are very high profit. And on that same page, you can also apply to book a free one-to-one call with me directly. And on that call, I'm gonna basically take a look at your situation, where you are right now. We'll take a look at the things you tried and I'll show you why they failed up until now. And I'm also gonna give you a custom step-by-step roadmap you can follow so you can start selling online courses today and get your first customers quick. So obviously, I'm sure you realize, since I take these calls myself, I can't do 100 of them per day, even per month. So if you want to secure your spot, just click the link in the description below, grab the free training, book your call, and I will see you on the call.